What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video today. We're just gonna do an unboxing of the one more Sonoflow mini hearing protection study headphones. These are the HQ20s. So pretty much these are mainly geared toward kids. As you can see how small the ear cups are. These are kid friendly, Bluetooth capable, no wire. It says smart hearing, consultation, speech protection support, 65-hour battery life. So in this video, like I said, we're just going to unbox them and take a look how they look and feel. Then I'll come back with another in-depth video on how they sound and so on and so on. You can get these in 4 different colors. They sent me out the black pair because that's what I requested. But you can get these in a white little color, this bluish color, a pink color, and then the black color. These will run you $35.99, but if you go on and buy them right now, you get a 20% off coupon if you copy it and paste it to your checkout. So that is not bad. You'll be saving some money. These are just some of the things that it says it is capable of doing. So we're just going to get these unboxed real quick. See what they look like, feel like. As you can see, no problem though. They come in this plastic bag right here. Let's get them opened up. Like I said, these are more geared towards kids, so kid friendly. You know, if you don't want nothing too crazy for your kids to have, you do have these. But these are not ugly by any means or cheap, you know, by any means. They will get the job done. I'm just really not a fan of the smaller cups. That's why I say these are perfect for little kids, because this will fit their ears perfectly. Like I said, this is Bluetooth, so no cable involved. You'll be able to close them up like this. Put them in a bag, a drawstring bag, so on and so on. You do get your, this is your LED light, let you know that they're on and charging up and ready to go. USB Type-C. You do get access to your volume up power button and your volume down button. Overall, they feel nice. They're just a hard plastic headphones, like I said, geared towards a little kid. And this will fit their ear cups, their ears very, very well. You get your instruction manual and your cable in the bag, no problem. Like I said, these are $39. Let's go back to the website real quick. $35.99. Plus you can get 20% off. And I feel like that is a great deal for your kids. You know, your kids, they want to play their games, tablets, so on and so on, but you don't want to necessarily hear what they have going on. This would be a great pickup. You won't break the bank, and I know you'll get good sound. But like I said, this was just a quick unboxing, showing you what they look like. I'll come back with on a later date with a better in-depth video of the sound quality and what I think about them. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.